Welcome back to BuonaPappa. Today I'm going to share with you another brain boosting recipe for your baby or for your toddler. This is a breakfast or lunch recipe. We are going to prepare egg yolk, avocado and sweet potato baby puree or toddler toast. Egg yolks are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids and choline. They are two natural fuels for your baby's brain. Avocado too is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids and is super creamy, and sweet potatoes are the perfect missing partner for this combination because they are rich in antioxidants, vitamin A, vitamin C, folate and iron. The recipe is super simple to prepare. Simply hard boil the eggs. How to do it? Place the egg in cold water, let the water boil and wait 8 minutes. Done. In the meantime, you can peel the sweet potato, chop it in small pieces and steam for 8 minutes. Take a small bowl, place the sweet potatoes inside and with a fork mash them. Add the avocado, keep mashing. Add the egg yolk, keep mashing. You will obtain a kind of thick consistency. It's totally up to you. This consistency might be perfect for your baby or you might want a more running one. At this point, you can add either breast milk, baby formula, hot water, or if you're looking for other suggestions how to thin your baby food, check out this video too. You can also transform this baby food in a toddler meal. How to do it? Simply toast a slice of bread, I love the multigrain one, and spread the baby puree on top of it. Do you remember the egg white that you boiled? Take them and chop them in small pieces and sprinkle them on top. And if you're serving this toast to older kids more than 1 year, you can even add just a pinch of salt on top. Being a breakfast recipe, and I'm always in a rush in the morning, you can prepare the boiled egg and the steamed sweet potatoes the night before, so that this recipe will really take only 5 minutes to prepare and be served. This is a lovely, super nutritious, super healthy, brain-boosting breakfast or lunch or school lunch idea for your babies and for the older kids. I really hope you're going to enjoy it. Remember to subscribe to BuonaPappa, leave me comments in the area here below. Also check links to similar recipes in the area here below, and we are going to see each other next week with a new recipe. Ciao ciao!